What's up, guys? So it's been a while since I've done a car part install, and we're gonna do one today that's pretty quick. So this is a high pressure fuel pump for the BMW, but that's not what we're installing. What we're installing today are these. I've always wanted some yellow fog lights, and I just never got them. So these are from Amazon, and they're supposed to be yellow. So I'm gonna install them and see how they look, see if I like it. If not, I also bought the actual yellow fog lights. So hopefully I don't have to install those because that takes a lot more work. But we're gonna put these in and see how they look. Let's go. So, walking over to the front of the car, I see there's 2 bolts here. Now, I've never done this before, so I'm gonna be guessing here. But I see there's 2 bolts. These are 8 millimeter. I've already figured out which one it is. So I'm gonna take these off here, and then we're gonna pull this back and see if we can access the fog light. And I'm actually gonna turn the wheel in more because it is not enough. Yeah, we're gonna do that first. Alright, so we went ahead and put the wheel in, and we've pulled these almost out. So it's just 2 bolts here. I'm gonna put it here so it doesn't get under the wheel. Can't have those kind of issues. You might want to wear some gloves. Hands will definitely get dirty for this. Alright, so we're gonna pull this back and see if we can access. Alright, it's gonna be very tight here. You see, pull this out like that. Alright, so I can see the fog light bulb in there, and I'm gonna need 2 hands. So all you have to do is pull this thing back so you can access the bulb, and then looks like there's just a clip that you gotta pull down, and then we can get the bulb in there. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll just show you how it looks. So this is the old bulb. What I did is, so the bulb is in like this. All I did is twist to the right, and then it just came right out, and I pulled this out. So now I'm gonna get this bulb out of here, and all you gotta do is just pull this bulb out. It doesn't look like it's in there pretty hard, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna try to do it one hand here. Actually, it's probably not possible. All right, I'm gonna use 2 hands, but we're gonna put the new bulb in, and then I'll get back. So if you look closely on the side of the thing that actually holds the bulb, you see these little clips here. So if you push down, it raises up the top side of it so that it unleashes from these little sides right here. So mine was very difficult to get off because it's probably been in here forever. So but now it's off. We can put the new bulb in. The new bulb should be easy to get in. You just insert it into the clip. Nothing special. So it's gonna go this way. Just make sure your thing lines up. Now this bulb is a little thicker than that one, so we'll see if it works. Hopefully it does, but the tabs look like they're the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Alright, so new bulb is in there, and we are ready for the next one. Okay, so these are, I have one in on the driver's side, and then the stock bulb is on that passenger side there. So you can see the stock bulb is still a little dingy white color, and then you can see this bulb is more of the yellow color. So we're gonna go ahead and put the other one in and see how they both look. We'll get a better look at night and see how they look on the road. All right, guys, here we go. So both lights in, new look. I like it. I like it a lot. So I do have those the actual yellow fog lamps that I purchased as well. So I think I might just return those or sell them. I don't think I need them anymore. I think these are good enough. I do want to wait till nighttime comes so I can see how they look in the dark. But I mean, so far so good. The old bulbs, what I did is just put them in this little package because you really, I mean, they work fine. So I mean, I don't want to just toss them out. So I'll just put them to the side just in case one of these blows. I can just put it back inside. But pretty simple job. It literally takes like 10 minutes to do, as long as you know you can get the bulb out of the socket. I used a pair of scissors to slide inside the little clip so I could get it out. But otherwise, so good. We'll go ahead and I think it looks good, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Would you use yellow fog lights or keep it stock? All right, that's it for the video. It was hot outside, so I came back in. Make sure you put your screws back inside the fender well so it's not loose, it doesn't get ripped off. Also, I did get a fog lamp malfunction in the dashboard. I don't really care. It'll just be there, whatever. It's all good. But besides that, the lights work fine. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you next video. Peace.